In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create catalogs, schemas, tables, and volumes in Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench, or AIDP Workbench. I need to set up the master catalog for my team to begin managing content in AIDP Workbench. The master catalog is a central hub for discovering assets, resources, and data from standard and external catalogs, including structured data and unstructured data. It also provides integrated access to generative AI or GenAI models. I'll begin on the master catalog page and select Create Catalog. I'll name the catalog and give it a meaningful description. I can classify the catalog as standard or external. Standard catalogs are managed within AIDP Workbench, where both data and metadata are handled by the platform. For example, I can use a standard catalog to upload and store individual files or volumes. External catalogs are managed outside of AIDP Workbench and serve as a bridge to connect and manage data stored in other locations, such as Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse or other external databases. For now, I'll create a standard catalog. Now I can select a compartment. Compartments control where the catalog data is stored, such as the FAW compartment. In this scenario, selecting a compartment is optional, so I'll save the catalog without selecting one. Next, I'll create an external catalog to integrate and access supplier-related data stored outside the AIDP platform, like Autonomous AI Lakehouse. This allows direct querying of external systems from within AIDP without initially moving the data. I'll enter a name and a description. Then I'll select the external catalog type. Next, I'll locate and import a wallet file to the catalog. Wallet files contain client credentials that enable me to connect externally to Autonomous AI Lakehouse for this catalog. I will select the service level. Low is best for long, non-urgent jobs, medium is suited for everyday tasks, and high is ideal for short, time-critical jobs that require maximum speed. I'll enter the username and password for the connection and then test the connection to be sure I entered the correct credentials. The connection is established, so I'll complete the catalog setup by clicking Create. The standard and external catalogs are ready to use. Now I'll build a schema in the new standard catalog. Schemas are constructs that hold tables and volumes. I'll open the standard catalog and click Create Schema. I'll name the schema and click Create. The schema is created and I can now begin creating tables and volumes in it. Next, I'll explore the external catalog further. I'll navigate back to the master catalog page and open the external catalog. I'll select the user to inspect the files included in this connection to Autonomous AI Lakehouse. I'll review the channels table briefly and then navigate back to the master catalog page. Now I need to build my standard catalog schema. I'll open the catalog schema and begin creating tables. I can specify if the new table will be managed or external. Managed tables are stored in AIDP, while external tables reference data outside AIDP. Only their metadata is stored in the platform. I'll select the managed table type, then import the product table CSV. Next, I'll preview the data to see what will be pulled into the schema. It looks good, so I'll click Create. If I'm working in a workspace notebook, I can call the product columns from this table for data analysis. I want to look at the table details, including the format and when it was last updated. Then I'll look at the permissions. To create an external table, the process is very similar, but for now, I'm finished setting up the schema tables. Now I need to set up my volumes. By leveraging volumes within standard catalogs, my organization can effectively manage unstructured data. I'll name my managed volume, make sure the managed volume option is selected, and click Create. I'll open the new managed volume to verify its contents. If I need to further manage content within the volume, I can upload files and create folders to organize it. I can add multiple files per upload, but for now, I'll upload a single PDF. Next, I'll create another volume, but this time it will be external. I'll navigate to the Schema Volumes page and click Create Volume. I can also create an external volume by navigating to the Schema Volumes page, click Create Volume, then External Volume. I don't need an external volume for this example, so I'll cancel for now. Now that I've set up, managed, and external catalogs with Schema and Volume, I can centrally organize and manage all supplier information in Oracle AIDP. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench in the links below.